about getting a microphone to basically car vlog. Something high quality, put by the exhaust, maybe put one in the engine bay to get some of the intake noise. Just to have good quality when recording my drives. And so I kind of got out in the middle of nowhere here. I'm just testing, how does the cabin sound through just the phone? Like, how well can a Samsung record the actual audio quality, like the audio quality of a drive from the cabin? Is there going to be too much cabin drone? Are you going to hear enough of the exhaust tone? Because it has a nice rumble to it. And so that's what we're testing out here. And hopefully I'll answer this question for you guys too. Can you car vlog with just your phone? Or at least get started that way before you buy expensive mics. So that's what we're doing. This is a WRX. This is a 2015 WRX FA20. It has a MBRP catback exhaust on it, which is pretty moderate in terms of volume you get out of them. They're not the loudest exhausts out there. They're not quiet. In the past, I've described it as making the car sound the way it should have just sounded from the factory. In addition to that, this does have a high flow cat downpipe or J pipe, so there's a little bit more noise coming from there. That was a noticeable noise increase. We also have a Cobb Redline, I think it's a Cobb Redline air intake, and we have a Cobb top mount intercooler as well. That might give us a little bit more intake sounds too, if you can pick those up from here. So I can't really tell what the road noise is going to be like. I'm imagining that there's significant road noise from the cabin, but you can still hear the exhaust. So let's try to mix things up a little bit and just see, can we get some more full exhaust tones out of this thing? Kept it to the speed limit there. Yeah, we got around 4,000 RPMs. You can see the digital I'd imagine there's going to be way too much air coming through the windows, but at a slower speeds. Yeah, I wonder how that turned out. Alright, so I think it is a little bit too much road noise. However, the quality isn't terrible. And whenever I'm accelerating, you can tell, and you can get a decent feel for what the exhaust sounds like. So overall, I don't think it's terrible. It's just like right now, there's not a lot of exhaust noise you're getting. It's kind of just road noise. But all in all, it's not terrible. And if I were driving around town and there was less of this, I think it would work a little better. So all in all, I don't think this is terrible. But I think the quality is almost acceptable through just the phone. However, if I were to get actual mics and set them up, the quality would improve significantly. And it might be worth it, especially since some of these mics only cost $100 or so, some of the cheaper ones. So we might end up trying that out, but you guys let us know what you think. Did this absolutely suck? Is this worth doing? If you have already tried stuff, let us know what you've tried, because obviously I'm on the market